This is such an important recognition, as diversity, equity, and inclusion have been an incredibly important part of our strategy of building our best workforce at Van Meter.
And it speaks volumes that this is an area that is so important to Rockwell, and to have Rockwell recognize us in an area where they excel really means a lot to us. I believe that Laura's involvement in helping found I Belong Here caused us as a leadership team here at Van Meter to really take a closer look at how we were doing.
So I Belong Here is a nonprofit that was founded back in 2021 by several distributors in the industry. So we started talking about how can we become a more inclusive industry. This journey for us began several years ago, where we really started with building our all-inclusive statement. And that statement was a way for us to come together as employee owners about what was important to us when it meant to build an inclusive work environment, to be able to attract and to retain all kinds of talent, whether it's generational, different educational backgrounds, of course, different race and ethnicity.
When we got ready to tap into social media as another way to kind of tell our story, it was an opportunity to look at the faces of our employee owners and tell each individual stories about how they feel included, how they feel they can be their personal best working at Van Meter. And we had a ton of fun with it. It's something that has been very effective for us in terms of reach and engagement on the social channels, but it's also been a really interesting way to celebrate the uniqueness of our employee owners.
On behalf of 850 employee owners at Van Meter, we are honored to be awarded the DE&I Award at the 2024 Partner Network Conference.